The top 10 fastest birds in the world are Peregrine Falcon, top speed 240 miles per hour or 389 kilometers per hour in a dive. How they achieve it? Their streamlined bodies and powerful wings are perfectly adapted for high-speed diving. They fold their wings back and plunge towards their prey at incredible speeds. Ger Falcon, top speed 200 miles per hour or 320 kilometers per hour in a dive. How they achieve it? Similar to the Peregrine Falcon, the Ger Falcon is another powerful falcon with exceptional diving speed. Golden Eagle, top speed 200 miles per hour or 322 kilometers per hour in a dive. How they achieve it? Known for their impressive size and strength, golden eagles are capable of high-speed dives when hunting. Ger Falcon, top speed 90 miles per hour or 145 kilometers per hour in level flight. The Ger Falcon is a large falcon that can reach high speeds in level flight. RedTailed Hawk, top speed 120 miles per hour or 193 kilometers per hour. Red-tailed hawks are known for their powerful flight and can reach high speeds during pursuits. Whitethroated Needletail, top speed 105 miles per hour or 169 kilometers per hour in level flight. These birds are incredibly fast in level flight, making them one of the fastest birds overall. Magnificent frigate bird, top speed 95 miles per hour or 153 kilometers per hour. How they achieve it? These birds are known for their long pointed wings and exceptional soaring abilities. Eurasian Hobby, top speed 99 miles per hour or 159 kilometers per hour. How they achieve it? A small falcon, the Eurasian Hobby is incredibly agile and can reach high speeds in pursuit of prey. Spurwinged Goose, top speed 89 miles per hour or 143 kilometers per hour. How they achieve it? These geese are powerful flyers and can reach high speeds during flight. GreyheadedAlbatross, top speed 80 miles per hour or 127 kilometers per hour. How they achieve it? Albatrosses are known for their exceptional gliding abilities and can cover vast distances with minimal effort.